Hi everybody, happy summer. My name is Gail Jackson and I am an agent on the Sarver team. Today I want to talk to our sellers, or maybe those of you who are considering selling your home. I have found that a lot of times the idea of preparing your home for the world to see causes a little bit of anxiety. So I just wanted to go over a few quick, super easy tips for you to help you do that. One way to remember it is we like to call it our 3 Ds. It's declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. Now, the first two, declutter, depersonalize, they kind of go together, actually, if you think about it. The rooms I would have you focus on the most for this would be your kitchen counters, your bathroom counters, your nightstands, all of those places that actually have real personal items there. So in your bathroom, maybe it's not practical, but we're going to take your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your hairbrushes, they're all going to go under the sink. Even your soaps, a lot of times, unless you have one of those fancy pretty soaps that you could leave on the counter, but when in doubt, just put it away. Empty space is your friend when you are taking pictures and when you're getting ready to show the house to everyone. In your kitchen, a lot of times people have too many canisters, things that again just make life practical when you're living in your home, but living in your home and styling your home are two different things. So when in doubt, again, put those things away. Depersonalizing, some stagers will tell you to take down all your family pictures, get rid of everything. I don't necessarily go that far. I would say if you've got a big gallery wall with tons of pictures, maybe just leave a few up. It's okay for people to know that a family lives there. You just want to make sure that they feel comfortable when they're looking at your house. They can picture themselves living there as well. You want them to linger for a little while, maybe picture themselves cooking in your kitchen, or having a birthday party in the backyard. You don't want them to feel like they're intruding on your space. And so if you have personal things laying around, it just makes them feel awkward. Get those sports schedules off the refrigerators, calendars, things like that that just might feel a little too personal to share with the rest of the world. So that's depersonalizing, decluttering. The third thing is deep cleaning, and I mean deep cleaning, like your floorboards, power washing outside, doing things that you probably only do maybe once a year, if that. My mom, when I was growing up, when I said my room was clean, she would always say, okay, great, now go back in and look at it with my eyes. So that's what I would say, is to clean your house really good and then go back in, kind of the point of view of your potential buyers. And you're gonna find things that when we live in our house for a long time, we don't even notice. Maybe have a friend come over, take a look at it. Hire someone maybe to come in and just really deep clean. But that is the third thing. I will say we do have these little tip sheets, so feel free to reach out to us. It has a few more details on there. And one of the perks, honestly, about working with the Sarver team is we are a full service concierge team. We provide 5-star service, and part of that is we do provide an in-house stager to come out and help you prepare your home for photos. That is just one of the perks that you get when you work with the Sarver team. I hope maybe you learned a little something today, and just want to invite you, if you have any real estate needs at all, whether you're buying, whether you're selling, just have questions on maybe what your home is worth, please feel free to reach out to the Sarver group, and we hope to talk to you soon.